In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the craziest video editing hacks that will have you raking in the cash from your YouTube automation videos. This is perfect for anybody. I've personally used this software to edit all of the videos on my YouTube channel. Gone are the days of having to pay hundreds and even thousands of dollars for someone else to edit your videos. You can now do it yourself. You don't need to be a genius with fancy skills or experience. This is super beginner friendly. Breakdown that I'm about to lay out for you. If you like the sound of today's video, smash that like button and let's get straight into it. So, first things first, we're going to set up a YouTube automation channel. And just a quick recap for those of you who haven't seen my videos on YouTube automation channels yet, these are basically YouTube channels where you don't need to be on camera or even record things yourself. And once you upload videos, you can monetize your channel in so many different ways, like through ad revenue, brand deals, and affiliate offers. We're only going to focus on actually creating the YouTube videos today, so let's dive into that. The first thing that you want to do is pick a niche and set up a YouTube channel for that. Views and reactions. So let's make our channel niche about reviews. Let's say technology product reviews. Now that you've selected a niche, you want to create your first video. You're going to need the following elements: a script, a voiceover, video footage, and video editing. I know. This might sound like a lot, but the video editing hack that I have in store for you today will simplify everything. So let's begin with the script. Let's pick the best cameras 2022 and search that up on Google. You can see all of these different results, and I'm just going to go for this article here, the best cameras in photography in 2022. So they have a list of the 10 best cameras. I'm just going to do 3 of the best cameras for the sake of this tutorial. And I'm just going to open up a blank Google Doc and copy and paste all the relevant information into here. Now, we obviously can't take this word for word, so now you can just change the wording, switch things around, and if you need help with that, you can use a free rewording software like Spinbot. Aim to have 1,500 words written when you do this. Once you're happy with your script, we can move on to the next step. So now you want to head over to filmora.wondershare.net. As you can see here on this website, this is the best video editor. Transform your video into a piece of art with simple drag and drop interface and powerful editing tools. If you scroll down, you can see all of these amazing features that Filmora has to offer, like green screen, split screen, and motion tracking. They have pretty much everything that you could want to edit videos, but if I go through all of them, we'll be here for hours. So let me show you some of the basics that you need for creating a faceless automated YouTube video. First things first, you want to install Filmora right here. Then you want to create an account. You can check out their different pricing plans on the website, but you can just go ahead and get started with the incredible free trial that they're offering right now. Once you log in, this is what it will look like. And now we're going to put together all of the elements that I mentioned. So open up a folder with all of our footage inside of it. Because we're doing reviews on the best cameras, we can easily make money by adding affiliate links in the description box of our YouTube videos. So you can use any affiliate marketplace really, but for something like this, I would go for Amazon Associates, or I would go to the camera company's website directly and check if they have an affiliate program there. Once you join these affiliate programs, you'll have permission to use their pictures and footage, and you can even use Filmora's screen recorder feature to capture the camera company's website where all the tech specs and information will be, which is super useful. So once you've got all your media, you can import it all into Filmora into the shared media folder just like this. As you can see, now you have all of your media in one place, and you can easily access it as you're working on this project. It's worth noting as well that if you want stock footage, you can actually have direct access to Unsplash and Pixabay, which are integrated in Filmora. I think that's just an incredible way to save time and money when you're editing YouTube videos. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use the media in the folder that I have prepared here, and I'm just going to show you how we can put this together. So, one of the first things that you want to do is have your voiceover ready. Again, Filmora has got you sorted. You can just use the Record Audio feature, select your device from the drop-down menu, and read out the script that you already have written. and it will come up just like that. And now we can just drag the footage from the shared media folder directly onto the timeline, depending on what we're saying in the voiceover. So, for example, if I'm talking about the #1 camera to buy, which is the Nikon D3500, I can simply drag the picture of the Nikon D3500 directly onto the timeline at the point where I'm talking about this camera. Now, I'm just going to keep adding in the media and matching it up to my voiceover. And once I've done that, I can add some other pretty cool stuff. For example, I can add some transitions between each of the cameras that I review by clicking on Transitions here and dragging the one that I selected onto the timeline where I want it. It's also always great and engaging to have some background music in your video. You can import this in, but again, you can actually directly access different tracks right here in Filmora under Audio. And they've even categorized the music. I'm actually going to include some sound effects and have them play at the same time as my transitions. I think that would be quite cool. And one of the last things that I want to do is add subtitles, which is super important for engagement on YouTube videos. Filmora's speech-to-text feature lets you do this effortlessly. You can literally have your voiceover transcribed in minutes, and you can edit the styling of the subtitles however you like. And this is if you're from Filmora has just made video editing your YouTube videos way easier and faster. Now, in case that seems like a lot of work, which it really isn't, there's actually an even easier way to go about this. You can use one of Filmora's preset templates under Media here to set up your whole video, and then you can customize and adjust the bits that you want and don't want. Now, let's say you can't quite find a preset template that matches what you want to do. Well, you can actually create your own template and make one video. And then you can copy that template and keep using that same one for all of the rest of your videos. That way, you don't have to start from scratch every time. How you use the preset templates will all come down to your niche and your videos, but trust me, you want to make the most of this because it's going to save you a bunch of time. Once you have your video done and you're happy with it, you can easily export it and upload it to your YouTube channel like this. I do have to point out that if you're on the free trial with Filmora, you will have a watermark on your video, and you will have some limited access to things like stock footage. After testing out the free trial, if you're happy with Filmora, as I'm sure you will be, I would recommend just upgrading because it's worth the investment in your YouTube channel. Also, purchasing Filmora is way cheaper than hiring video editors. You can literally have Filmora forever for under $100 and make unlimited videos. Or you can pay over $100 per video to get other people to do what you can. Not to mention, you can use Filmora for a bunch of other things as well, like creating video ads and social media posts. So in my eyes, this is the smartest business investment you can make if you're serious about making money online. My final words of advice for when you upload your YouTube video are to make sure that you have an eye-catching thumbnail and that your title and description are interesting enough for watching. So that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you've learned something new, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel with